this example, angle of depression of the top and bottom of an 8-meter tall building. Here DC is 8-meter tall building. From the top of a multi-storied building, an angle of depression from the multi-storied building, it means we are at point A, and angle of depression from the top and bottom, from point A to the top and bottom of an 8-meter tall building, and angle of depression are 30 degree and next one is 45 degree. And we know that angle of depression or angle of elevation both always in between horizontal line and the line of sight. So in this case, this is our horizontal line and line of sight is AC, and in second case line of sight is AD. So these two angles are given to us. In next case, find the height of the multi-storied building, and here AB is the multi-storied building and this height we want to find out. Now AB height we want to find out. So let this BE is equal to 8 meter. AE we want to find out value. So let AE is equal to X meter. So which value is required? AB is equal to AE plus BE, and AE is X and BE is 8. So AB is equal to 8 plus X. When we come to know about the value of X, then we can say that this is the height of multi-storied building. So our required value is the value of X, and this X we want to find out. This is the value of X, this length we want to find out. Now in this case we will take two triangles. First one is ACE and second is ABD. Now in triangle ACE triangle, perpendicular divided by base, perpendicular divided by base, and angle is 30 degree, and here perpendicular is AE, AE is X divided by base, base is CE, is equal to tangent 30. Tangent 30 is 1 by root 3. When we apply cross multiplication, then CE is equal to root 3 times of X meter. This is our first equation. Now next, second equation we obtain from the second triangle. Second is ADB triangle. In triangle ADB, perpendicular divided by base equal to tangent 45 degree, and here perpendicular is this one AB, and AB value is 8 plus X, 8 plus X, and base is BD equal to tangent 45 is 1. So we can see that 8 plus X is equal to BD. First equation, and this is our second equation. Now CE and BD both are same. CE equal to BD. These two values are equal, so we can say that if these two values are equal, then from first and second we obtain root 3 times of X equal to 8 plus X. When we take X to this side, root 3x minus X is equal to 8. X is common, root 3 minus 1 is equal to 8, and X is 8 divided by root 3 minus 1. And here this square root term is in denominator, so we have to resolve this term. So apply rationalization, then we obtain 8 times of root 3 plus 1 divided by a minus b into a plus b. So we obtain 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 4 ja 8. 4 times of root 3 plus 1 meter. This is the value of X. X is 4 times of root 3 plus 1 meter. But which value we want to find out? The total height of the multi-storied building, that is AB value we want to find out, and AB is 8 plus X. So 8 plus X, 8 plus X is 4 times of root 3 plus 4, and this is 12 plus 4 times of root 3. 4 is common, 3 plus root 3 meter. This is required value. It means this is the height of multi-storied building.